What's up, everyone? It's Hunter at Burlington Kia. Just wanted to let you know we have one of the hottest SUVs in the market here right now. We've actually got 3 in our inventory. This is the all-new 2020 Kia Telluride. We got a truckload about 2 days ago and I've already sold half of them. So these cars are very hot and moving really quick. Just look right here. This is the SX trim level. It's top of the line. Go one down. We've got the EX here in the middle. And then you've got the LX, which is equipped with all-wheel drive. These are great cars. They're all equipped. It comes standard with a lot of driver assist features as well as technology. They all have your blind spot collision warning, your lane keeping assist and lane departure warning, as well as rear parking sensors. As I mentioned, these cars are not going to last long. We've also got our $50,000 giveaway going on this month. So if we reach our goal of selling 100 new cars, we're going to give back to every new car customer and give you $500 in your pocket. So if you would, just give us a call today. Schedule a time to come in, take these for a test drive, and hopefully take one home this weekend. Just make sure you ask to speak with Hunter whenever you give us a call.